In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Monese mobile app, a step-by-step installation guide designed to take you through the process smoothly and efficiently. Whether you're using an Android phone or an iPhone, this guide will ensure you have the Monese app up and running in no time. To begin with, grab your smartphone. It's best to do this process directly from your phone to ensure that the app installs correctly. Let's start by opening your web browser. For many of you, this could be Google Chrome, Safari, or whichever browser you prefer. Once your browser is open, navigate to the search bar and type in Monese mobile app. Press enter to view the search results. As you scroll through the results, you'll notice several links pointing to different websites. While it might be tempting to explore various options, it's crucial to focus solely on the links directing you to either the Google Play Store if you're using an Android device or the Apple App Store if you have an iPhone. Selecting these official App Store links ensures that you are downloading the legitimate version of the app, free from any potential issues that may arise from other sources. Now that you've clicked on the appropriate link for your device, you should arrive at the Monese app page in the store. Here, you'll find detailed information about the app, including reviews, ratings, and maybe some helpful screenshots or videos. Before proceeding, I recommend taking a moment to glance through the app's description just to familiarize yourself with its features and what to expect. Next, look for the install button, which is prominently displayed on your screen once you are on the app page. Tap on this install button to start the downloading process. Depending on your internet connection, this might take a moment, so just be patient. The app will begin to download and install automatically. You'll see a progress circle or bar that indicates how much of the download is complete. Upon completion, you'll notice the open button appears where the install button used to be. Tap this button to launch the Monese app for the first time. Once open, you'll likely be greeted with a welcome screen or the option to sign up or log in. At this point, you can follow any on-screen prompts to get started with your Monese account setup or log in if you already have one. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded and opened the Monese mobile app on your phone. With this essential app installed, you're now ready to explore all the financial management tools Monese offers, ensuring your personal finances are managed more efficiently than ever. If you found this guide helpful, remember to like and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy banking!